Bernd Siegmund GmbH at Tube 2018. Business Research Partnership between Industry and Johannes Kepler University Linz. FSW Tech Development of a Guideline for Friction Stir Welding Personnel. Welding Translator App, 120 words in 10 languages. METAF 2018 confirms ongoing economic boom in metalworking. Weld Queen, inspired by metal. Welcome to DVS TV International News. The company Bernd Siegmund GmbH produces welding and clamping tables, machines and machine parts. We visited Siegmund's booth at Tube 2018.
We have many innovations on the Tube 2018. The workstation, for example, that we brought some months ago to the market. We have very good success with it. It's a workbench, in the first view. So we developed a sub-table box, which is very useful. There are 2 drawers on the sub-table box. You can also equip it with other drawers from other sizes, So you have one standard component that you can handle flexible, how the customer would like to have it. So the next thing what we have are magnetic clamping blocks that we have. It's a very nice item. It's something like an additional item to the table where we can offer to the customer to clamp small and mid-sized parts with magnetic force from 5, 7 and 10 kilonewton, and they can fix plates, tubes, whatever is magnetic on that, and can then make some small works on it, like milling or drilling or cutting or what is possible on that. And last but not least is our rail system. So the rail system gives you the flexibility to put tables together, apart, to make a long surface, to make a short surface, and the production will be much easier, much more effective and cost-saving.
Fronius Perfect Welding, voestalpine Group Steel Division and the B2B Marketing Department at the Institute for Trade, Retail and Marketing at Johannes Kepler University Linz are embarking on a business research partnership in 2018. The focus will be on the digitalization of customer relationships in the global automotive industry and its impacts on marketing and sales in the supply industries. The partnership will run until 2022. A shared marketing-oriented view of the target industry, the automotive industry, from the perspective of various supply industries will open the potential for cross-industry networking. It will allow the various parties to complement one another as regards content. The cooperation with industry partners will also contribute to an increased focus on application-oriented research at JKU. Friction stir welding technologies have a worldwide diffusion in many industrial sectors. For high-value applications where high-performance joint properties are required, friction stir welding has been widely adopted in aluminium fabrication. Despite its increasing importance, there is a lack of training materials and qualified personnel for the technology. To address this, the European Federation for Welding, Joining and Cutting, EWF, is conducting a survey targeting industrial companies, associations and public bodies which work in the friction stir welding field. FSW Tech is a co-funded Erasmus project which aims to develop educational material and a guideline for the implementation of the curricula at the European level. The aim is to cover the needs for 3 professional profiles in friction stir welding, namely operator, specialist and engineer. Professionals in the field are invited to fill in the short survey online to assess the training needs in this field or to share it within their networks. You can find links to the survey below. The Welding Translator app from DWS Media offers a collection of terms relating to all aspects of applied welding technology. From practice for practice is the basic idea of this app, and therefore a conscious decision was taken to do without any scientific, academic or too profound expressions. Without any claim to completeness, this collection of 120 terms in 10 languages should be a communication basis primarily for the welder, but also for all the other people active in welding technology. The classification and subject areas, in addition to the alphabetically sorted lists in the appendix and the supplementary icons, is intended to increase the user-friendliness of this pocket translator. The languages are German, English, French, Russian, Polish, Estonian, Latvian, Lithuanian, Turkish and Arabic. The Welding Translator app is available for Android and iOS. The 20th International Exhibition for Metalworking Technologies, METAF 2018, took place in Düsseldorf, Germany in February. The successful exhibition demonstrated the excellent economic state of the industry. 26,500 trade visitors from about 50 different countries, with the largest contingents coming from the Netherlands, Switzerland, Belgium and Austria, used the opportunity to present their products and cultivate relationships. The area concept, which was launched 2 years ago and focuses on specific topics, is now fully established with both exhibitors and visitors. The response to the additional events at METAF 2018 was good as well. They focused on additive manufacturing, grinding and clamping technology and fire protection. One of the highlights was the Inside 3D Printing Conference with a diverse program with highly topical subjects, 45 lectures by international speakers and discussions and interactions with experts. The next METAF will take place in March 2020. Weld Queen is the creative pseudonym of the sculptor and performer Alexandra Ivileva. The main medium of Weld Queen is metal. With the help of welding, she creates interactive metal sculptures focused on direct interaction with the spectator. As a performer, Weld Queen mythologized her professional experience and creates her unique weld art reality. The main themes of Weld Queen's works are ironic examinations of social stereotypes and common values, the role of women in the society, the importance of persistent work, and the unlimited creative power of our mind and fantasy. Interaction, play, laughter, and labor in Weld Queen's works become universal tools, resetting the familiar view of the world and allowing you to see a little further. Through her work, the artist tries to show that the ability to see the bright side of things is always the result of your own choice and internal work on yourself. Visit Weld Queen's website to see more of her visionary work. That's it for today. Take care and bye.